Excuse me, sir. Can I help you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just finishing up my signature. I thought you guys might have wanted my papers since I'm 18.
No, don't worry. Our nurses will take care of it.
Oh, okay.
Please take a seat. So it's protocol to ask you a few questions before we get started.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Okay, cool. Makes my job a lot easier. Do you drink?
From time to time. I don't usually do it on a regular basis, but you know, my friend.
That's what they all say.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Are you sexually active? Are you sexually active?
No.
No? Well, I'm gonna hit you with something new for being your...
Excuse me, missus. What you got in mind?
Vacuum seal, double hand twist, Glock combo 3000.
Bro, I can really help you out, bro.
You just see that joint, yo. Just a little bit. Come here.
Vacuum seal, double hand twist, guac combo 3000. What are you doing?
I'm gonna hit you with that vacuum seal, double hand twist, guac combo 3000. Mr. Lindsay. Mr. Lindsay. Are you okay? Do you need water or something?
I'm sorry. I don't know what just happened.
you sure?
I think I just blacked out.
Yeah, I can see that. Maybe I should suck your dick right now. Right fucking now.